Hey guys, today's video is we're gonna be doing 100% honest famous slime shops. And now let's go start it. First, we're gonna be starting on with Buddy Dino Slime. And this is, as you can see, always has a logo on the top, which has dinosaurs. I bought two things from him or her. I don't know what it is. It kind of dinosaurs. So our first slime really amazed me, and it's so cool. As you can see, it has some crunchies, bees. It has a little thing inside, and I don't know what is that. It also has bubbles in it, and it's so clear, as you can see. Next slime really amazed me, and it smells just like pineapple. It smells so good. It's so jelly. The next slime package, which is my favorite. It's called Chubby Animals. Chubby Animals Slimes. And yeah, let's go. So first, let's go. First is I bought this cucumber melon glitter crunch. It's a lot of glitters and it's so shiny. There's a lot of crunchy things there. Kind of looks like Jello, as you can see here. Next slime is called Clear Crunchy Bees, and it's so cool. It's so fancy. It's so clear, and as you can see, it has stars there, and it's really cool. Next slime I bought from her is called Dino Kiss Crunch, and as you can see, it has the Dino Kiss. It has a lot of crunchy beads. And yeah, I love it so much. It looks like water. It's so clear and has hearts. And thanks for watching. So cool and